Hello everyone, I'm Tiffany. Today we are talking about a thing you may need every day to control the TV or the AC. Yes, remote control. 遥控器遥控器遥 with a second tone and 控 with a fourth tone. 器 also the fourth tone. 遥控器 Yao means far away, and Kong means to control, and Qi means machine. So, a machine that can control something far away. Yes, remote control. Yao Kong Qi. Yao Kong Qi.
Register now using the promo code HowToSay and receive 20% off your premium subscription today.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.